Get on board. Our technical expert Mandar Jamsandekar is joining us right now on the phone line. Good morning, Mandar. Yesterday we saw the Sensex hit a record high. The market is, waiting with its bated breath for the Nifty as well to clock in that record high mark today. Do you think it looks likely looking at the charts? What is your sense?
Yeah, good morning. See, basically, if you look at the way the Nifty is traded during the last 3 months, then there's you can clearly see that there is positive undercurrent. So the Nifty has been trading in an uptrend, no doubt about it. It's trading with higher tops, higher bottoms. But the consolidations or the corrections that are happening, there you can see the clear indication of the undercurrent that is there, and that's been positive. So even if you look at the extreme short-term charts, then in the last 5 months, after last 5 days, after trading at those 11,000 levels, the Nifty is seeing good kind of undercurrent. So there's no there has been no major selling which has brought the index down. And this undercurrent, this positive undercurrent, I believe the Nifty should be able to head and make higher highs, and a new all-time high also is possible during the taking a view whether it will happen in the next 2 days is difficult, but yes, in the next 1 month, the Nifty is making a new top. And I believe for the index to make a new top, it will need support from the Bank Nifty. And that can be seen happening right now. So there is, along with the private banks, we also see good kind of interest coming back into PSU banks. And once the Bank Nifty starts trading above a major resistance level of 27,200, I think that will take the Nifty to the all-time highs, plus the Bank Nifty also should be able to hit a new all-time high.
What we would also like to know is the auto stocks. Yesterday, two-wheeler stocks were cracking away massively. We saw deep gashes come by there. All of these key automakers, two-wheeler makers rather, whether it's TVS, whether it's Bajaj Auto, whether it's Hero Moto, they all touched fresh 52-week lows. I'm sorry, fresh 52-week lows. So, given the fact that now Bajaj has got some more brokerage re-ratings, and they have all given a consensus that they are also not sure about the company's performance in the near to medium term. What is your sense for Bajaj Auto? Is it likely to see deeper cuts going forward?
Yeah, basically that is what is seen on the charts. So in the last 2 days after the results, the stock has seen huge amount of selling, and at current levels, the stock trades at important support. So around those levels of 2680 and 2700, there's a good kind of support band. If the stock breaks this level, then the stock can fall down to levels of 2500. So there's clear weakness that is there on the chart of Bajaj Auto. The same thing can be seen in case of Hero MotoCorp. This stock had a support at around levels of 3370, and the stock has broken below this level yesterday. Therefore, there can be weakness. The stock can fall down to levels of 2900. Same is the case with TVS Motors, which also is trading on support. This support level for this particular stock is around 540. If 540 is broken, then the stock may see a sharp fall to levels of 450. So Hero MotoCorp is broken the support. Bajaj Auto and TVS Motor are still on that support level. But if these supports are broken, the stocks can see a 10% fall from current levels.
Mandar, lastly, just a name from the FMCG pack that I'd like to know, ITC, because that stock is largely been rain bound for the last, several months, many months. We've not seen too much of a move come by. Yesterday, of course, on back of the GST relief, they did see a decent kind of rally, but largely it has been circling around that 270, 280 rupees range. What is the projection on the charts for ITC?
Yeah, you rightly pointed it out that for the last 11 to 12 months, so it's 1 year that the stock has been trading in a range. The range has been on the lower side 260 to 65 levels, and on the higher side it's been 290, which is acted as a resistance. Now, yesterday's close around 284. It's just below this resistance level. I would wait for the stock to give me a breakout about 290. Once that happens, I believe this should be a great opportunity for traders to go long into. But just because it's trading below resistance right now, I may not enter a fresh trade. I would wait for a breakout to happen. So about 290, the stock is heading for levels of 320, 330. So a 10% up move once the breakout happens. But as it's trading below this resistance, it's a wait and watch now.
Okay. And Mandar, before we let you go, I just wanted to know what are your picks for our viewers today? What are some stocks that they can consider buying into?
See, two stocks that I'm looking at. First is State Bank. So SBI yesterday has closed above a short-term resistance at around those levels of 265. So as it continues to trade above 265, I think it should be able to head higher to the recent highs that it made around 280 to 90. So therefore, I have a buy in SBI with a stop loss at 263 for a target of 274 to 78. And the second stock is Punjab Cement Crop. This stock has given us a fresh breakout yesterday after a small consolidation. The current close is 661. Buy with a stop loss at 630 for a target of 660. For a target of 690. Sorry.
Okay, Mandar. Thanks much. We'll let you go on that note. Great talking to you like always and getting a sense of how the markets are likely to move and how they're looking on the technical side.